Gavana mar kaunti ma KILIFI Gavana Mung'aro miyo jotend migepe 10 mag kaunti no ma korka ochamo muma chike ma gibiro tiyo godo mar neno ni gichopo singo mane oketo ne jopiny e kinde mag kampen. Mung'aro wacho ni yaye Shosi Ahmed madhi telo ne weche mag omenda kaachiel kod ochumi mar kaunti no ma KILIFI dhi bedo gi ting' mar neno ni osuru ochoki e kaunti no yo makare kendo chopo dwaro margi tok higni 5 mar telo marach mag weche mibadhi ma ne giwacho kata mowacho ni orocho mokalo chenro mag choko osuru e kaunti no. Bende odwaro ni jatend migao mar pie kaunti ma KILIFI Omar uti kanyakla kod nyawadgi man e migao mar pur Peterson Chula mondo oneni giyudo konyruok mochwere e yore mag kedo kod oro mamedo sando jodak makono.
And diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Executive Committee member of KILIFI County.
That I shall vigilantly discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
That I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the Governor of KILIFI County.
That I shall do justice to all.
So help me God.
We have witnessed the swearing in of our county executive members, and I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the successful candidates we have sworn in today. I want to challenge them to rise to the expectations the people have. I also want to remind them that this is a privilege to be among the few to hold these positions in the county. As you know, KILIFI has almost 1.7 million people, and only 10 of you have been picked to serve in this country at that position. During the campaign, we promised issues affecting this county. As you took your oath today, there are those areas where we will have to run with speed to fulfill the issues we are facing. So I would expect the sea water. When you get out of this field today, you better start making sure everybody has water at their homes.